welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing family mail. So if you want to see what I got and who it's from, stick around. Okay guys, so today I got family mail from Liz, from Liz's Beauty and Lifestyle. I will link her channel in the description below and also up here in the cards. Please excuse my appearance. Today is one of my let my face breathe kind of days. And sorry, everything's kind of out of whack. You can kind of see like behind the scenes. My bubby is not feeling too well and she's refusing to eat, so she's just been laying around in my lap all day pretty much and licking my brushes. No bub. Okay, anyway, so yes, today I got a package from Liz. I already took everything out and it's right here. Stop. These Aki Bubs. It's a little card she sent. And she put a little unicorn. It's like a little iron-on actually. Someone iron-on. Oh, that's too. That's really cute. Thank you, Liz. She just says this card isn't as fancy because she wanted to get it out to me in a hurry, that's all. Awesome, that's cute. Hang that up with all my other cards. And one of the first things in there was the Pirates of the Caribbean lippies. You guys know I've been collecting these because I have the eyeshadow palette and I have the cheek palette and I have a couple of these myself. I've been collecting these like as many as I can get. Like I get one of each like at TJ Maxx when they have them, but mine hasn't been having them very much lately. The only ones that I had gotten was these two, but she knows I collect these, so she got me one of them in the shade Ahoy Matey, which is like blue. It's pretty freaking cool. And then like on the other side is like a blue. Sorry, it's so hard to see. I couldn't bend over to turn my lights on because my little puppy was wanting to be right here. So thank you, Liz. That is like super cool. So now I have 3 of them. And you know what is so strange is it like goes on different. Yeah, like that is so strange. Okay, like see how these ones go, the mirror is on this side, the mirror is on this side on this one. Kind of different, huh? I don't know if I can like pull it out and like turn it all the way around different, if it will shut different. No, it keeps going on that side. That's kind of weird, huh? I guess different batches, different, yeah, oh well. Anyways, yeah. So anyway, these are the 3 shades that I have so far. I have Me Hearties, Trident, and Ahoy Matey. I'm not sure what all the other shades colors are called. But I absolutely love these. I'm going to keep collecting them, like as many as I can. I do use them. I'm not just like keeping them just to, you know, have for fun. I'm actually like wearing them. Which, the blue was like pretty cool. Should put some right now. Oh, duh, actually I can see here. Blue. Is this my shade? I think this will be good for like collabs and things like that. Okay, thank you, Liz, very much. Really, really appreciate that. The next thing she sent me was, everybody knows I love my lashes. I usually always wear lashes, but as of recently, I just ran out. And I got some of the Kiss, the new Kiss ones they had, and I put those on yesterday during a live. I did a live with Nicole, and we did a neutral look with the Blood Sugar palette without using any of the reds. And I put those lashes on afterwards, and they are like for going out to a bar, partying, whatever, like some real nighttime fun. Like those just aren't everyday lashes. And I only have one other pair of lashes, which are my MAC lashes, and I just can't wear them. I just can't. So she sent me some Lily lashes. I guess this is a collab with Sephora. It was for the Sephora collection. Sorry guys, had to stop that there for a second because people don't know how to be quiet. Anyway, so these are like super, super cool. One's like supposed to be for day and one's supposed to be for night. And like this thing is just nice. It's nice and metal, and like I just love how this is. The other one I have isn't so, I'll show you, isn't so nice. Like you can see the difference here. This one is just like a curved. These are so much nicer to use when you're putting lashes on, because literally they go in like this instead of trying to hold this sideways around your nose and going in this way. These are so much nicer because you're basically going straight down. They're really nice. And then of course you use the little back thing here. You can just push them down. I mean, this just, yeah. Excuse you if you hear, or excuse her if you hear that. Her belly's growling like crazy, but she refuses to eat. I don't get it. I just gave her medicine about 10 minutes ago, so hopefully she's gonna eat. And she goes to the vet next week, so I don't know. Wow. It's making all kinds of noises. Anyway, like these are like super cool, and like I've wanted Lily lashes for a long time, but my TJ Maxx never has them. Never. So that was really awesome that you went and you got those for me. Let me take this off. My lips just look so weird in the camera. I really, really, really appreciate that. But I think that's all I got for today, guys. Again, go check out Liz's channel. She is super, super sweet. She does, currently she just does unboxings right now. But she does it for like everything. She does like FabFitFun, BoxyCharm, Ipsy. She has a couple like different ones that like no one else does. And I can't quite remember the names of them. You just have to go check out her channel to see what they are. But again, guys, sorry my video wasn't up yesterday. No excuse. I just didn't do it. I was live though, so anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll have another video up. Bye.